All right, greetings everybody from the AWS booth. We're here with the CEO of Neura Robotics. So maybe to start with, what specific problems does Neura solve for manufacturing?
Yes. So what we want to solve is basically we want to bring, let's say, robots to the level that they are smart enough and actually capable enough to do any kind of physical task. And why? Simply because we are living in a time where the population is aging fast, and we are looking, actually, even if you're looking into, let's say, the next 5 years, we will have about 100 million less human labor, just combined, like China, Japan, and Europe together. So, and this is what we want to solve.
Got it. So what specific problem does this guy here solve?
This guy here is the smaller one. It's a For Anyone Mini, we call. It's mainly built for education research purpose. But any kind of model you're building on this one, or anything you train this robot, we can actually transfer to all the bigger ones, which are made for manufacturing.
Got it. Now, on the same note, can you give us an example on manufacturing using your robots from Neura?
Yes.
What changed for them on the plant floor?
So the interesting thing about this form factor, humanoids and physically AI-driven robots, is actually that they can actually come anywhere where a human works today, the same form factor, and can start doing the same task. So it means pressing buttons, turning switches, putting parts inside machines, like very simple ones, but actually being fully autonomous and reactive. That's a big difference on physical AI.
Now, everybody talks about AI at this show, so maybe talk a little bit about what one AI use case in manufacturing you've seen deliver results.
So, I mean, we are seeing right now on a daily manner. So it means actually, it starts in a low-hanging fruits, we call. So it means like really putting just parts inside machines, or taking parts into your baskets, or very simple task, but continuous and reactive if things changing. That's the good thing about AI.
Got it. Now, if you could fix one problem manufacturing in addition to what you just mentioned, what would that be?
Actually, the problem I want to solve is actually all kind of, let's say, fully autonomous driven robots for manufacturing and assembling. So it means being able like to assemble something which the robot haven't seen before. I think this is like a capability where right now only humans have. So, and that's what we want to do also with robots.
David, thank you so much, and stay tuned for updates from Neura.
Yeah, thank you.